The key word is calm. The materials are natural. On an extensive wooded site in the southern Netherlands, this linear residence is clad in natural stone and wood. While the heavy volumes of stone and austere straight lines evoke a serene retreat, the curved lines and sinuous glass walls balance the overall structure, evoking the lightness of being. A rectangular pond offers a meditative calm. The single-story villa combines sober straight lines and heavy stone volumes with seductive curves and sinuous glass walls. The entire structure, including all terraces, has been elevated 40 centimeters above ground level, adding monumentality and presence to the landscape, while conveying a sense of lightness of being. Curved surfaces and sinuous glass walls complete Villa JM, offering residents the best natural views while preserving their privacy. Externally, marble is paired with curved walls clad in wood, echoing the surrounding forest. Portuguese blue limestone was chosen for its massive dimensions, and ash wood was selected for its rich and deep color. A single opening pierces the monumental facade facing the street. The opening reveals a glimpse of the interior in the form of a central garden, surrounded by glass walls that translate the surrounding landscape into a domestic context. The architects discreetly positioned extensive glass areas to offer residents the best natural views, while closed volumes preserve their privacy. Almost entirely transparent living areas gracefully slope inward, providing unexpected terraces and connecting residents to the serenity of the surrounding forest. Only a small portion of the space is enclosed, detailed in the facade in richly veined marble. A small annex houses the bike garage, the dogs' quarters, and covered parking.